Okay, little Opal was gone for a day or two. I had to go and look where was the last time that I saw her, and I was really worried about her. And then, well, little Katya started walking on the rails like little Opal always does. And then I thought, yeah, you know what I thought. But she's back, and I am so glad that she is back. And she's one of those cats, she just wants to climb on everything. Enzo just quickly got up. He was sleeping over there. But yeah, I'm really glad that she is back. And now she can continue her climbing. Orioki Diego. Yeah, you never know what can happen with the cats. They tend to walk around and you don't know. Anything can happen. And just look at her, she's a tough little one. But I am so happy to have her back here. Whew. Enzo. Just cutting some leaves off, just making it a little easier for the tigers to walk and to enjoy this area. They like to come here. This is a very closed area. It's nice and quiet at night, and they like to sleep here. That is what they like to do in this smaller area. But yeah, sometimes you have to get in here and just clip a couple of branches and take out a couple of trees. Those are growing in the wrong place, so I guess we're gonna have to take them out. But it's quick. And then cleaning up, and they will be back in here in no time. Sometimes you just spot two tiger whiskers right from a distance. Just look at that. Yeah, sometimes you're lucky and you just get them, but I guess they won't go anywhere. If you just check around, you'll find them. A lot of people ask me, why don't I use real grass for the tigers? Well, I'm not even going to answer that question. Although I think they need some, and that is the ones there that's growing against the wall for them to eat if they would need it. But yeah, believe me, I've been through this. I know why I'm using synthetic lawn. Yeah, these two are just expecting everything. They don't want me to cut off any leaves unnecessarily. Only if they are really bad, then, well, we get to cut them off. They're just taking a walk around here, checking everything that I do. Hendrik is getting huge. Just look at that. And this one is drinking water. Leg is still to the side, but it's getting better. That one over there just eating away over there, but her leg is a little more to the side. But this one is walking already. It's getting better. As long as you can see some improvement, then I guess it's worth spending all that time on it. But yeah, they are getting huge. Today is one of those days that the wind is just blowing all the time. It's a little cold. It was a bit warmer a few minutes ago, and I can feel that it's changed. Okay, so the wind blew one of these pieces of paper that the plans for the Spitfires are on off from the wall. But now I'm trying to put them all together and roll them up. But Sissy is underneath there and she's not making it easy for me. Let me see if I can get in there. Yeah, there she is. That is where she is hanging out. Zach! Okay, so I'm taking them down. I'm not gonna finish this project. I was hoping to, I was all in. I started, but I don't think it's the right thing for South Africa. It is just not that easy to do it over here. I can make the parts, but I can't even buy the material over the shelf. I have to import everything, and that alone is a lot of work. I can do it. I think sooner or later you have to just make a decision. Is it worth it? I mean, these wings, I was gonna build this wing right here, and I'm sure I could have done it. I think it's 11 meters if I'm not making a mistake. But yeah, I could have done it over here, and if I have to take it out, I'll make a plan. I'll knock a hole in a wall and I'll take it out if I have to. But you have to ask yourself sometimes, is something worth doing? And I don't think it is at this stage. So that's it. I'm taking them down. If someone wants to take over the project, I'll be happy to assist them and tell them how to do it. Or I think they should know how to do it if they plan on taking something like this over. But they are at the moment huge cat beds. And I think the people who put so much effort into building it up to this stage deserve these two planes to get finished. But it's not going to be me that finish them. So I think I'm going to put them up for sale or something. I think it's an amazing thing to have, but not for me right now. I'll rather get a lot of animals. Diego. Well, I guess if I'm not going to get them sold, I can always give them to Enzo and Diego. They will really enjoy, well, the wood out of them. But yeah, let me take those down, put them away, so they are safe at least, because Sissy is already starting to roll those papers up right there. Yeah, okay, let me do that. I'll be done in a few minutes. Ah, she's staring it. Yeah, I rest my case, and then she goes under it. Oh man, now I have to get it out of there somehow. I'm gonna leave her under there. I'm just gonna take these down, put them up on one another, and then get it out and quickly roll it up and put them away. Yeah, that's the only way I can do it. Okay, I better be quick with this because cats are showing up from every angle, and yeah, it's not easy to control them, but at least I've got them all down. I'll just put them together and start rolling it up. Katas. There she goes. Yeah. It's a lot of work just to draw up these plans, never mind constructing the whole plane. Well, I think if someone does a job like this, it's an amazing thing to have, and it's not something that you would ever sell. I think you'll just keep it. Okay, I don't know what that sound is, but right after I've rolled this up, I'm going to go see what that sound was. Okay, some kids outside. Their kite got stuck in the tree right over there. And we're not going to be able to take it down right now. It's a bit high. And the tigers saw it. They are just waiting for that kite to come down. So I'll see what I can do to get it down. There it is. But yeah, sometimes it's better to just wait a while and get it down safely than to just they go and stand on the wall and try and get it down, because it's really high. We're going to have to take some kind of a, I'd say 6 meters, 7, that's maybe 7 meters, and just try and take it down somehow. But Enzo is waiting for it and he's got a lot of time. Diego as well. Oh, there's Diego right in the corner. Yeah, there he is. They want to fly that kite. And so, well, Diego has got time to wait. Diego, is that kite not down yet? When is it coming down? There it is. Yeah, it's stuck. But he doesn't care. He's got time. He'll wait for it. It has to come down sometime. Yeah, Diego, that's his little tail. He's just always smelling his tail. He needs to do something while waiting. No, he wants to lick his tail. But he needs to do something while waiting for the kite to come down. Diego. So they're trying to pull it down. I've told them that they better get something that's long, but I think they're gonna get it. They've got something that's long and they can just lift it, but now I think they've hooked it. But yeah, Diego is waiting for it. That's one thing you can count on. A tiger's got the time and the patience to sit and wait. So never take a chance. Yeah, almost got it. Let me see if I can get a better view from the side. I think that's the sound of happiness. Oh, now they've lost it. Look at Enzo. Oh, no, that's Diego. He knows that he just got something new. A pole. Yeah, small little branch, and those are not strong branches. It's the very weakest ones. You never hang on one of those branches. They just break off. But even the weakest branch is strong enough to hold the kite. And Diego is just watching the whole thing from here. I will get it down, but I don't think it's... Oh, that's Enzo! Let me go see what is going on there. Come, Diego! Okay, they're eating red meat again tonight, so I have to go in and just put it down. But Diego doesn't want to come out. I can just squeeze it through the door. I don't want to do it because it's too heavy on my one wrist. That's the reason why. That bucket weighs, well, 5, 6, 7 kilograms. And holding it with one hand, reaching in, putting it in. And there's always a lot of cats and dogs around. I don't want to take a chance with one of them slipping in. They don't, but I just don't like to take a chance with that. But let me see what I can do to get Diego up. Enzo's ready to eat. He is walking around here. Maybe I should just put one in for him quickly. Yeah, cutest cat, that's the right thing to do. Okay, here comes Diego. Diego! Okay, I say. Kom, Buta. Okay, let's go. They know so well. Okay, right. Now they're that side. Now I can quickly go in. Close up. How easy is that? They know exactly what I'm going to do. That just goes to show tigers learn in Toki. And they know exactly how to get their food the quickest way, and that's the quickest way, getting out so I can get in. Okay, let me get those buckets and then quickly bring their food in. Kite is still there in the tree. We'll get it out tomorrow. Tiger's food ready. Mother cat over there. Look, he just gave me a look and a weird sound came out of his mouth. And it was because he wants his chicken. So, still out of breath. Carrying those 2 buckets in here is a lot of work. People don't realize how much work it is. It's heavy. But the boys are going to quickly eat it. And then I can go get the cats' chickens. 2 chickens for them. And so checking that one out. He's rather going to take that one over there. And Diego, is he going to like it today? Let's see. Diego, do you like it? Show us that roar if you like it. No, he's not hungry right now. Yeah, that is what you call 2 spoiled tigers. He's got to go check Enzo's food out first because it looks better. Mother cat. She's still got a winter jacket on. Enzoki, let's see that. Diego, show us that roar if you like it. No, he doesn't feel like roaring today. Grab him by the tail. Okay, he doesn't like that. Never grab a tiger by its tail when it's eating. I think that is a good piece of advice. Although, I have to say, if you see that little tail right there, you want to grab him by the tail. It's just, well, something that feels right. Well, let me get going. Little Opal there on the wall. I was really worried because I didn't see her for 2 days. She's back. She's walking her walk on the wall. She always does that. And I'm glad that she's back. Well, let me get going. Gotta feed cutest cat in the world some chicken. Right, let me get around to it. See you guys again tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and like always, have a great day.